Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats and thanks a lot for being here. My name is Benedicta and if this is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. So in today's video, we are making authentic light soup. Let's get started. For our ingredients, we need 500 grams of mushrooms, we need 2 smoked mackerel, 1 large smoked freshwater fish. You can get it in any African shop. I brought this from Ghana. We need 2 large onions, 40 grams of ginger, 3 habanero pepper, and 4 cloves of garlic. We also need 4 fresh tomatoes, some salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 500 grams of beef. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. So we'll begin by chopping up our ginger and 1 of our onion to blend together with our garlic. We'll be adding 200 ml of water to it before blending. So in a saucepan, we'll be placing our beef and pour over this our blended ingredients. Add some salt to taste and allow this to cook for just 5 minutes. The beef will be in the soup for the whole duration of the cooking time, so we do not want to overcook it at this time. So after 5 minutes, we'll add our tomato paste and allow it to simmer about 5 more minutes. Next, we'll be adding about 2.1 liters of water. Mix it up very well. And then add our fresh tomatoes, our onion, and 1 habanero pepper. I like to add the red one at this time. Allow this to cook for about 20 minutes and then take out the onion and pepper to blend. Next, we'll be blending our tomatoes. And I prefer to drain the tomatoes after blending it because my kids want their soup to be very smooth. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet and turn on your notification to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. Next, we'll be placing in our smoked freshwater fish, and I have this frozen. And just a tip from my mom, it's always best to place it into your boiling soup rather than defrosting it, and this helps prevent it from breaking apart. We'll then add our mackerel and our mushrooms, add some salt to taste, and then allow it to cook. I also have in there 2 green habanero pepper, just to give it some added heat. We'll allow this to cook until there is no more foamy film on top. And our soup is done. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. You can enjoy this with fufu, banku, or even rice. I'll be having mine with fufu. So we have our mushrooms and our mackerel as well. It didn't break apart. And let's find out if our freshwater fish broke apart. See how perfect this looks. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until I come your way again, it's bye.